Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading an article from Danny Martin Girard. True Meaning of Unwavering Faith. What is unwavering faith? Is it never doubting? Is it never feeling fear? Is it always being steadfast in the face of adversity or opposition? We know that's not the case, as there are many faithful individuals who achieved great things, yet they still felt fearful when they faced adversities or opposition. Some of the greatest masters that lived on this planet felt doubt and fear, and they weren't always steadfast, but they prospered in the end. They prospered because they persevered, despite their doubts or fears, and they didn't let the doubts or fears consume them. They kept their vision in front of them, and they kept on declaring their victory despite their uncertainties. Courage or bravery is not the absence of doubts or fears. It's persevering despite doubts or fears. It's affirming and speaking about the desired outcome despite everything pointing us in the opposite direction. It's taking bold action steps, regardless of the discomfort we feel. We're human beings, and it's completely normal to feel doubt and fear. The only time it becomes a problem is when we give in. If you feel doubtful, fearful, or insecure, and you give in by constantly speaking about your doubts, fears, or insecurities, you lost the battle and you move towards whatever you're thinking about or speaking about. When you're tempted to give in, affirm and speak the opposite of your negative thoughts and declare what you want to attract in your life. Speak the opposite of your negative feelings. Even if you don't feel it at first, sooner or later, you will begin to receive it in your being. Hence, you will attract it in your life. The law works to our advantage because if we continue to think and speak negatively, we will become depressed and we will feel inadequate. The law works as a reminder to get us back on course so we don't live in fear or pessimism. Can you imagine a world where people would get what they want despite them never believing in themselves and despite them being pessimistic and fearful about everything? Even if they get what they want, they wouldn't be happy, and there would be no point in achieving anything. What good is there in achieving our goals and dreams if we feel inadequate and ungrateful about our achievements in life? Every great teacher that ever lived will say the same. The true definition of unwavering faith is not the absence of fears and doubts. It's persevering. It's focusing on the solution rather than the adversity or opposition. If you're feeling fearful and you can't shake it off, just know you haven't lost the battle yet. Start focusing on your desired result and keep on declaring your end result despite fears or doubts. When you're steadfast and you persevere despite fears or opposition, you're one step closer to see your dream or goal come to fruition. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. This one really blows me away. I'd like to know what everybody else thinks about this one. It's just so powerful, this article. Thank you so much, Danny G. If you can, in the comments, let us know what you think about it. It's just, this one is this is my favorite article so far. By far it is. Persevering through something is so rewarding. Thank you so much for listening again. And until next week, have a beautiful week and have a beautiful day today. Thank you so much.